have something serious. A little bit far. Amazing. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're going to make a Melodyne pitch correction for a violin part. Opa. Worked well. Work well. I'm using Alt. I'm pressing Alt and then I can move notes in a very gentle way. So here we have this situation here. I'm just gonna treat it like I would do with the vocals, you know, just see how that works. Worked. Sounds very nice. I'm really happy with what I'm getting. Oh, here we have something serious. A little bit far. Amazing. Amazing. I'm really happy. I'm really satisfied. I can even try to go even deeper and like fix this part here. Let's use the format for this one. Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Melodyne. Thank you, Melodyne. Good job. Still a little bit of Formant. Let's do it. It's always the same note. It's funny. Let's see if I can also do some timing correction. Amazing. Why not? I won't call it cheating, but the thing about Melodyne is once the heart is in the performance, it's already have value, you know? Once you have somebody's putting his heart into a part, then a pitch is something that is technical, you know? Of course it would sound amazing if it would be just as it is, but... Amazing, amazing. That's it. Thank you for tuning in. I was amazed by what I could create with this tool, with an instrument that is other than vocals. It's the same approach. It's just nice. It's just nice to hear that like you don't have to throw to the garbage things that you put your heart into. Just because you're not yet technically good at something doesn't mean it can't serve. Don't look at it as a cheat, just look at it as a way to share where you are at the moment and still be able to do it. Thank you for tuning in. Much love. Keep doing music, keep enjoying yourself, and see you next time.